indirectly, it actually helps us on our mission in saving as many people's lives as we can. Bruhn NewTech is a software company with the sole purpose of protecting as many people's lives as we can every day, and that's against chemical, biological, radiological and nuclear incidents, whether that be terrorist attacks or industrial accidents. Because all these CBRN threats are invisible and they move with the wind, it's imperative that in order to mitigate these risks that you have to use technology. In our perspective, all human lives are equal and they matter the same. So whether we are protecting the life of a soldier in a uniform or a civilian is for us the same. And as we see it as a threat to move not only within the battlefields but also are moving into urban areas, it's important that we as a part of the industry also produce and develop solutions that enable, you could say, the regular society to in protecting and safeguarding their citizens. The highly populated areas such as stations, stadiums, airports, harbors, many of these, you could say, venues are privately held. And in that sense, it's important also that we come together as an industry to offer solutions that can mitigate the risks. You have an ability when you're doing business that everything becomes very practical. In our case, we produce software, and how do we do that, and who do we sell it to? But in case of actually, what is the purpose and what is the meaning in actually building this software? Basically, we just had to move a few stones and maybe sweep the corner in order for us to be completely focused on the fact that what we do every day really matters. And of course, that's attractive both for all stakeholders, whether being partners or our customers or the employees that we want to attract. I mean, all of our employees are software engineers. They are sought after in all businesses today. They have diverse backgrounds. I think we have 5 or 6 different nationalities represented. So in that case, it's very important for us to make sure that it's very easy adoptable, and the understanding of what we do and how we do it and why we do it. It's basically a reflection of the DNA of the company. Whatever we start communicating or we start doing has to be aligned with the story that we have chosen and the North Star that we follow, which is communicated thoroughly in our narrative. The strategic narrative in itself cannot help us save lives as such, but it helps us carve in stone, both internally and externally, how we do things, what we want to do, and why we do it. And in that sense, it helps us attract the right stakeholders, the right people internally, as well as the right business partners and customers externally. And in that sense, indirectly, it actually helps us on our mission in saving as many people's lives as we can.